Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if microphone is connected but not working on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then do not worry. Let's go quick into the process on how you can fix that. So you have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly go ahead in the Windows search bar and type settings. You'll find it under the best match. Click on that and click on privacy and security. Scroll down and you'll find app permissions, and from here you'll find microphone. Make sure microphone access is enabled. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this is on, so make sure this is on. Also, for let apps access your microphone, make sure this is on, especially for the applications that needs to access your microphone like OBS, Messenger, Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, any other applications that needs to access your microphone. You can simply enable it from here. Just simply turn the button on to allow the application to use your microphone, or to let the application access your microphone. You can simply turn the button on from here, just like this. And once ensured, simply close this window. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the sound, video, and game controllers. Here you'll find Realtek Audio. Make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. And here you can also find audio inputs and outputs. So here you have to simply update each one by one. Just make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Update drivers, search automatically for drivers. So you just have to simply update each driver under audio inputs and outputs. And once done, close this. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type sound settings. Click on sound settings under the best match. Scroll down and you will find more sound settings. Click on that. And here you'll find this window. Now click on the recording tab, and here you'll find your microphone. Double click. Click on the levels tab. Make sure this is not set to the lowest. Make sure this is set to the maximum. And once ensured, click on apply, click on OK. And then double click and click on the listen tab. Make sure that playback through this device, this is set as the default playback device. Click on apply and click on OK. You can also click on the listen to this device. You can also check this box, click on apply, click on OK, and then click on OK and close this. And after that, just restart your Windows and then the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.